Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to verify your YouTube account. Firstly, get off your application, go to your browser, then go up and take a look on a new section, then add here YouTube, and then go on the first selection. When you get up into that section, it will brings you directly to the main link in which you're gonna be able to get up and verify your account. Here what you need to do, you need to choose what you want to get up your verification code. For example, I want with text me the verification code. Here I need to select my country, then I need to add my phone number, and then when I add the phone number, simply I need to go for get code and wait to get up to that verification code. With verification code I can just link up into here and then my YouTube account will be verified. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.